Elon Musk often talks about universal high income, not universal basic income, which simply means that you would be getting enough money in your bank account that you would be doing your job only for the passion that you have for that particular job and not for the money. But the real question is, who is going to replace you? Well, recently, the co-founder of the biggest crypto exchange in the world tweeted this. CG said that AI will make you jobless, but crypto will make you not need a job. But what's the connection between AI and crypto? And the answer to this question was also given by CG in the World Economic Forum.
The native currency for AI agent is going to be crypto. They're not going to use bank cards. They're not going to swipe credit cards. Crypto blockchain is the most native technology interface for AI agents. So when AI goes big, today AI they're not really agents. They don't buy tickets for you. They don't pay for restaurants for you. But when they actually do, those payments will be in crypto.